Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best 22 rifles for the money that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a hunter, a target shooter, or someone just getting into air rifles, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Crosman Drifter Kit 2289 CFKT. This versatile .22 caliber air pistol and rifle hybrid offers a unique design that's perfect for airgun enthusiasts who want something compact and customizable. The standout feature here is the variable pump system, allowing you to adjust the power based on your needs. With up to 550 FPS, it's suitable for small game hunting or backyard target shooting. The design of the Crosman Drifter Kit is modern and rugged, featuring a carbon fiber hydro dip finish that adds a sleek, tactical look. The kit includes a shoulder stock pouch, and a carry case, making it a complete package for those who love portability. The adjustable rear sight and fiber optic front sight ensure decent accuracy, though it's not as precise as some higher-end models. While the Crosman Drifter Kit is affordable and versatile, it's not the most powerful or feature-rich option on this list. However, its lightweight frame and included accessories make it an excellent choice for beginners or anyone who enjoys casual shooting. The main downside is the limited velocity, which might not be ideal for those looking for high-impact performance. Overall, it's a fun and affordable option for airgun enthusiasts. Coming in at number 4, we have the Sig Sauer MCX Virtus PCP Pellet Air Rifle. This semi-automatic powerhouse is a pre-charged pneumatic PCP rifle designed for target training and varmint hunting. With a 30-round rapid pellet magazine and a PCP operating system, the MCX Virtus offers fast, consistent shots and a high level of accuracy. The design is where Sig Sauer shines. This rifle boasts a synthetic stock, flip-up front and rear sights, and an M1913 accessory rail for adding scopes or other attachments. The build quality is exceptional, as you'd expect from Sig Sauer, and the rifle feels solid and well-balanced in hand. At 9.41 pounds, it's on the heavier side, so it might not be the best option for younger or less experienced shooters. Performance-wise, this rifle doubles the muzzle energy of traditional CO2 air rifles, making it a great choice for those who need a reliable and powerful option. However, it's a bit pricey compared to other options, and you'll need to invest in a PCP pump or tank if you don't already own one. Ideal for advanced users, the Sig Sauer MCX Virtus is a premium choice for those who demand high performance and build quality. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Gamo Wildcat Whisper air rifle. This is a gas piston air rifle that combines affordability with impressive performance. With a velocity of up to 1,300 FPS using .177 caliber pellets, the Wildcat Whisper is ideal for small game hunting and target shooting. It also includes a 4x32 scope, which is a great addition for those who want improved accuracy right out of the box. The Whisper Fusion noise dampening technology is one of its standout features, making it significantly quieter than many other air rifles in its class. This is a major plus for backyard shooting or hunting scenarios, while minimizing noise is crucial. The build quality is solid, with a lightweight frame that's easy to handle, yet durable enough for regular use. One downside to note is that it's not as feature-rich as some other options on this list, and the included scope, while functional, may not meet the expectations of more advanced shooters. However, for the price, it's hard to beat the value offered by the Gamo Wildcat Whisper. It's a fantastic choice for beginners and intermediate shooters who need a reliable, powerful, and quiet air rifle. And finally, at number 1, we have the Gamo Swarm Magnum 10X Gen 3i. This .22 caliber break barrel air rifle is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to invest in a high-performance air rifle. With a velocity of up to 1,300 FPS using alloy pellets, it's one of the most powerful options on the market. The 10x Gen 3i inertia-fed magazine allows for lightning-quick follow-up shots, making it perfect for hunting or rapid-fire target practice. One of the standout features is Gamo's Whisper Fusion noise dampening technology, which significantly reduces noise without compromising power. The build quality is excellent, with a robust metal barrel and a durable synthetic stock. It also includes the Gamo Red Fire pellets, which are designed for exceptional accuracy and lethal penetration. The only potential downside is the learning curve associated with the break barrel design and the slightly higher price point. However, for those willing to invest, the Gamo Swarm Magnum offers outstanding value, performance, and versatility. This is the ultimate air rifle for serious hunters and shooting enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.